Who's there?
It's me. Violetta. It's been a while, Mr. Morton.
Violetta? What are you doing here?
I'm flattered that the host would invite me. I'm honored to be a part of the performance.
Performance?
Yes, that's right. The host left us a playbill. Perhaps we can prepare together.
5 children go to the park. They arrive excited, but leave with long faces. This is really interesting, Violetta. But you see, it's already very late.
Of course, of course. Tomorrow, perhaps?
Violetta, this play needs at least 5 actors.
They will come. Someone will come.
Why don't we wait until everyone is here? I plan on taking a look around this house tomorrow. After all, we've never lived in such a huge mansion before now, have we?
That's true. But Mr. Morton,
It's Mike. You can call me Mike. If you're not interested in taking the tour, why not pick a role and practice first? The Last Child would suit you well.
All right, of course. There is a role I like.
That's great, Violetta. Good night. It was good to see you.
Mr. Morton? Good night, Mr. Morton. I mean, Mike.
Excuse me, is anyone here?
It's me, Natalie. It's Violetta.
Oh, it's you. You scared me,
Violetta, the actress. Violetta.
Were you also invited to perform, Violetta?
Yes, I was also invited to act in the play.
They want to ride the roller coaster, but there are only 4 seats. Is this for the play the host wishes us to perform?
Yes, I was just getting familiar with the parts.
Huh. This looks like just a folk rhyme. If it's to become a real play, we'll need to adapt it.
All right. Oh, it's such an honor, Natalie. I'm so happy.
Has someone not arrived yet?
Yes, there's still one person left. Everyone else is here.
Everyone else?
What did you say, Natalie?
It's nothing. Just making a mental note. Let me think about how we can arrange all this. Good night, Violetta. By the way, Violetta, I'm now called Margaretha. If you wouldn't mind.
All right, Margaretha. Good night. Margaretha. Such a beautiful name. As beautiful as Natalie.
This is quite nice. I like this scent. Perhaps it will help me sleep well.
Margaretha.
Natalie. Natalie. Natalie.
I finally found you, Natalie. Natalie! Don't be afraid. I won't hurt you.
Get away from me, you demon! Stay away!
Margaretha. Don't be afraid. I will not hurt you.
What is Sergei doing here? Oh, of course he's here. None of us can escape. No, stop thinking about it, Natalie. What happened to me yesterday? I must have gone mad. Sergei will kill me. No, Natalie, just appease Sergei one more time. He might go mad. But he also might forgive me. Like before. He still loves you, doesn't he? You also. No, Margaretha. You will complete this performance, get your pay, and then run away. You're already quite adept at that, aren't you?